Hi friends, let me show you this new dog car seat bed that I received for reviewing purposes. It comes really well wrapped, so it uses less space. Okay, let me open it. Okay, it's getting some air already. These are all the fittings. Okay. More fittings. Okay. Perfect. Now we have everything open. Let's put it together. This is the main cushion. I'm going to give it some space to recover its original size. You can see it has this nice paw design here. Okay. Two side fittings already in. Let's do the large ones. Okay, this is going to be very comfortable. One more. Okay. So there it is. Now you have it. You can bring it with you like this. It has different bags. You put your pet's stuff to the side. Okay. And you can leash your dog from any of these hooks or to this one, the base one. Okay. You can give it more length or less. Okay. And of course, this is the base cushion for your pet. Okay. So it will be really comfortable in the car. Let's try it. Now we are going to install it in a front seat. Okay. We have these straps. First, you want to put the seat belt through here and buckle up. Okay. Then with these ones, you put it like this, and you have these to leash your pet. Let's bring her. So we're going to put Peggy here for a ride. And she's ready. Let's go, Peggy. So now Peggy is ready to go for a ride, really comfortable. Let's try it in the back seat, okay? Perfect. Now we are going to install it in the back seat, okay? Again, you want to buckle up the unit, like this. Okay, and you want to use this strap to put it in the back of the headrest. Okay. And this one to the front seat. Okay. Okay. We are ready to go. Let's ring them. Now it's time for Milo to go for a ride. As you can see, I think he's happy. This is so comfortable, right? This way, they can go in your car, really comfortable, and in their own seat. Perfect.